Hi guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to sew a winter cap and scarf, the one you use in wrapping your neck or the one you tie around your neck. I have this polo material which I'm going to use, stretch on this side little bit and not too stretch on this side. So the measurement I'm using for the scarf is 22 inches by 70 inches. I fold the 22 inches into two like this, so I have 11 inches after folding into two. I will sew here. I will sew straight to 70 inches. 70 inches, and I will sew up to here and leave about 4 inches or 3 inches here so I can bring the right side out. For the cap, this is for the cap. For the head circumference, I will use 22 inches. I have 13 inches after folding into two. I will use 11 inches for head circumference. So I will sew here with 1 inch and I will sew here with 1 inch. I have 13 inches by 29 inches. 13 inches by 29 inches for the cap. I will fold into two like this. I will fold again into four this way. So I will mark the top. This is the top, this is the hair circumference, this the hair circumference, this is the top. I mark curve this way. I will trim it out. This is how it is on the top. You can see how it's curved. This is where I will place on my forehead. This 13 inches. I'm going to use 22 inches for hair circumference because it's a little bit stretched. 13 inches. Then I will use 1 inch to sew here. I will use 1 inch to sew here. So what I'm going to do now is measure 11 inches after folding into two. I'm using 22 inches for hair circumference. Then after folding into two, I will have 11 inches. What I'm going to do now is to use 1 inch to sew this way to here. This 1 inch. So from here to here is 11 inches. After folding into two, 11 inches. I will go and sew here. I'm done with the cap. So what I will do now is to measure from up here down. I will measure 9 inches. Then I will use the remaining one to fold inside. I will bring this way on my machine and sew round. For the one to wrap on the neck, I finish sewing and I will bring the right side out. So the remaining thing to do on this one is just to sew this place. What to do on this one is to sew where I leave open to bring the right side out. Just sew on top. You can sew on top all through, but I'm going to sew just there on top. I'm done with the sewing. The back and the front. This is the final look, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new, you are welcome. Please subscribe and remember the notification bell. Please share this video to everyone. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.